We've all dealt with the friction of a fresh Windows installation, missing meetings because the clock is wrong, or finding your microphone disabled right as a call starts. To eliminate these pain points, we'll execute a 4-step optimization of your user profile, focusing on privacy permissions, clock automation, display accessibility, and hidden file visibility. While these configurations are standard across the ecosystem, the initial interface you encounter depends on which version of the operating system you're running. As you can see in these desktop layouts, Windows 10 keeps the Start menu and taskbar icons in the traditional left corner, while Windows 11 shifts these elements to the center of the screen by default. Spending 5 minutes on these baseline settings now prevents significant productivity losses and troubleshooting hurdles later. Our first priority is hardware security. Open Windows Settings and select the Privacy and Security menu. Using the navigation panel on the left, click into the Privacy and Security tab to reveal the specific app permissions categories. You need to select a specific hardware type, such as the camera or microphone, to define how the system shares that resource. Below the main toggle, you will find a complete list of every installed application that currently has access to your hardware. Go through this list and toggle permissions on or off for each app based on its actual requirements. Be careful not to disable global hardware access at the top of the screen. Doing so will cause web conferencing and recording software to fail across the entire system. These granular controls ensure your daily workflow remains functional while maintaining a high standard of data privacy. Next, we'll automate the system time. Navigate from the main settings hub into the Time and Language menu and select Date and Time. To prevent manual synchronization errors, ensure both Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are switched to the On position. If you reside in a region that observes seasonal time changes, make sure the toggle for daylight savings time is also active. You can confirm the update worked by checking the clock displayed in the notification area at the bottom right of your taskbar. Maintaining an accurate system clock ensures that network authentication protocols do not silently fail due to time discrepancies between your machine and the server. Now let's tailor the interface. Return to the main settings menu and open Accessibility, which may be labeled Ease of Access on some systems. Under the Vision section, you will find a slider designed to scale text size across every menu and window in the operating system. Adjusting the slider and clicking Apply instantly enlarges the UI, making it significantly easier to navigate without squinting. You can also find auditory adjustments here, such as replacing standard system sounds with visual flashes for those with hearing impairments. For deeper assistance, the Narrator tool can be activated to dictate on-screen text and describe buttons as you interact with them. Configuring these accessibility features reduces user fatigue and minimizes navigation errors during extended work sessions. Our final step prepares the system for advanced troubleshooting. Close the Settings app and open any File Explorer window. To reveal folders hidden by default, click the View tab, select Show, and check Hidden Items. Hidden folders like App Data and Program Data now appear with semi-transparent icons, distinguishing them from standard directories. For even deeper visibility into the core system, you can access the Advanced Folder Options menu. Inside this menu, you will see a specific setting to hide protected operating system files. Leave this specific setting alone during standard setup. Modifying or deleting protected OS files can cause the entire system to stop functioning. Revealing standard hidden items provides the access needed to find critical application logs without crossing into the dangerous territory of system-level modification. Your Windows environment is now properly established, featuring secured hardware privacy, synchronized time, tailored accessibility, and IT-ready file visibility. All toggles locked, system time synced, viewport fully optimized. This configured profile provides the stable foundation necessary for a reliable daily workflow. Now that the user baseline is set, the machine is ready for advanced tasks like system-wide administration and network firewall configuration.